Okay, so there's a trading recap again. I just want to let you guys know this is my mistake, and I just keep doing it. Oh my god. Alright, so first of all, my first trade as like my part 3 video, you can see over here. You guys could just use projections, which is this ones. You could go to 3, 2, and 4. Okay, if this happens, if these things happen, okay. And the other thing is, this is my second trade. I lost $3 with this. Oh my god. Okay, so first of all, you can see right here, I wait for high, lower high, and then go high, and then go lower low, which is right here. But the thing is, I don't want you guys to entry immediately when you see the candlestick. The candlesticks, it's just whipping. It's just whipping. It's not closing below the body of the candle does not close below the market. So I don't want you guys to think like it's gonna go down. It's definitely gonna go up. It's just a wick here, a wick. It's a manipulation. And then after it's the wick close, I mean the body close above the higher low, it's definitely gonna go up. So there's no way you're looking for sell here. Yeah, that's it, guys. Sometimes you just need to be patient and careful, and that's it.